More than 2 billion people call themselves Muslims. Every single day, millions bow their heads in prayer, fast during the month of Ramadan, and recite the same book, the Quran. Yet, despite being one of the world's largest religions, Islam remains one of the most misunderstood. What is Islam? Who is Allah? And who was the man known as Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? To answer these questions, we must travel back more than 14 centuries to the heart of Arabian desert. Where one message changed history forever. The year was 610 CE. The Arabian Peninsula was a land of vast deserts, powerful tribes, and busy trade routes connecting Asia, Africa, and Europe. At the center of Arabia stood the city of Mecca. Merchants came from every direction, pilgrims gathered around the Kaaba. But according to Islamic tradition, the Kaaba, originally built for the worship of one God by Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail, had become surrounded by idols. Society was deeply divided. Tribal loyalty came before justice. The poor were often ignored. Violence and revenge were common. Yet, among the people of Mecca lived a man known by everyone for his honesty, his integrity, and his trustworthiness. His name was Muhammad ibn Abdullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. At the age of 40, while reflecting in the cave of Hira, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam received a revelation through the angel Jibril. The moment marked the beginning of Islam. The word Islam comes from an Arabic root associated with peace and submission. In Islam, true peace is found through willing submission to the one Creator. A follower of Islam is called a Muslim. Islam is not simply a collection of rituals, it is a completely way of life. It teaches honesty, compassion, justice, mercy, responsibility, and worship of one God alone. Today, Islam is practiced by more than 2 billion people from every race, every culture, and every continent. Also, the people ask, who is Allah? At the very heart of Islam lies one belief. There is only one God. In Arabic, God is called Allah. Allah has no partners, no parents, no children, and nothing in creation is like Him. The Quran says, He is Allah, the One. قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. Muslims believe that Allah is the same Creator who sent Nuh, Ibrahim, Musa, and finally Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Every act of worship in Islam is directed to Allah alone. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Mecca around the year 570 CE, long before prophethood. People call him Al-Amin, the trustworthy. At the age of 40, he received the first revelation. Over the next 23 years, he delivered the message of the Quran. Muslims do not worship Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They worship Allah alone. Is honored Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the final messenger sent to guide humanity through his words, his character, and his example. Millions found a path towards faith, justice, and compassion. Islam began with a simple message: worship one God, live with justice, show mercy, seek truth. More than 1400 years later, that message continues to shape the lives of billions around the world. But this is only the beginning. In our next documentary, we will explore the book that Muslims believe is the word of God, the Quran. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.